7 benefits of chia seeds and the best ways to eat them. The demand for chia seeds is skyrocketing, and with good reason. When prepared properly, they are easy to digest, loaded with an array of nutrients, and pack a powerful energy boost. In fact, in ancient times, chia seeds were known as a runner food because runners and warriors ate them as fuel to run a long distance or when going into battle. The benefits of chia seeds have been widely reached and include improving digestive health, promoting heart health, boosting your energy and metabolism, and can even help treat diabetes. But before we delve into the top 7 benefits that come from eating chia, let's take a look at the nutrients available from chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants, high in vitamins and minerals, contains 37% dietary fiber, contains 20% protein, high in omega-3 fats. But that's just the highlights. Chia seeds also contains vitamins A, B, E and D, minerals including iron, theanine, iodine, nicotine and sulfur, and essential fatty acids, alpha and linoleic acid. 7 benefits from eating chia seeds. Here are 7 powerful reasons to eat chia seeds. Number 1. Boost your metabolism and lose weight. Believe it or not, chia seeds are one of the most powerful sources of plant-based protein on the planet. This plant-based protein is vital for building muscles, balancing blood sugar and burning fat. Not only that, chia seeds, which contains high amounts of zinc, help with your body's production of leptin, which is your appetite regulating hormone. If you are being on the diet merry-go-round, then your body's attempt to curb those cravings and manage appetite can be thwarted. As well as that, studies have shown that chia seeds, when consumed, reduces visceral adipose tissues, giving you another great reason to include chia seeds in your daily diet. Number 2. Promotes heart health. By regularly consuming chia seeds, you may be less likely to develop atherosclerosis due to this seed's ability to reverse oxidative stress. In addition, the high amount of omega-3 in chia seeds have been shown to reverse inflammation, lower blood pressure and regulate cholesterol. Number 3. Improve digestion. Being super high in fiber, one serving of chia seeds every day can provide you with your daily recommended fiber intake. In fact, the first thing you will notice when you start eating chia seeds is its pop effect. Fiber is essential for regulating bowel movements and making a healthy poo. Also, when consumed, or even better when soaked before consuming, chia seeds turn gelatinous. This gel-like substance is the soluble fiber in the chia seeds. Imagine the cleansing effect of this jelly going through your gut, drying out, soaking up and eliminating the toxins built up in your intestine. Pure magic. And there is more. Chia seeds work as a prebiotic that will aid the growth of good bacteria in the gut. And clinical studies have shown that chia seeds can induce satiation, curbing hunger and suppressing that appetite. Number 4. Skin and aging. While we all know that you can't halt the aging process, you can stop doing the things that is speeding it up. Research has shown that chia seeds are one of the richest food in antioxidants. Antioxidants are responsible for repairing your skin from daily oxidative stress. Adding chia seeds to your diet can prevent premature aging caused by free radical damage and inflammation. Number 5. Fight breast and cervical cancer. Another great reason to eat the amazing little seed is its ability to fight cancer. A study published in 2013 in the Journal of Molecular Biochemistry found that alpha-lipoic acid found in an abundance in chia seeds limited the growth of cancer cells in cervical and breast cancer. I look forward to seeing more research in this area. Number 6. Stronger bones. Calcium is a mineral that you can get in abundance from plant-based sources. In fact, 1 ounce of chia seeds will give you 18% of your daily recommended intake of calcium. Number 7. Can help treat diabetes. A study has shown that chia seeds can help prevent metabolic disorders like dyslipidemia and insulin resistance, which are 2 factors associated with the onset of diabetes. This is because of the rich supply of alpha-linolenic acid and dietary fiber contained within the chia seeds.